guys, what's up? I am DozGeek. Welcome on section 51. How are you? I hope you're fine. I hope you're well. It's always a pleasure to see you back on section 51. And today we are gonna talk about some UFOs, some UFO sightings that could have appeared somewhere in New Jersey in the United States of America. So I hope that you're ready because that may be something really amazing. But before watching this together, let me invite you to like or to share this video if you are a really fan of section 51, and of course let me invite you to subscribe to the channel if you really like everything, the content we produce on section 51, and of course to follow us on Instagram, because we just opened the Instagram account for section 51, where we are going to publish every week some new photos and videos about all our content about UFOs, about mysteries, about science, space, science fiction, fantasy, all the subjects that trigger us. As you know, if you are used to watch section 51 every day, every week, every month, and we need your support here on section 51. That's very important, and thank you again for following us every time and every video we publish here. So guys, excuse me, I have a coffee for that video. I invite you to do the same if you want a coffee or a tea or maybe something else, I don't know, maybe a glass of wine or more simply some water. You know that's very difficult to get some coffee here in space, but we have some stock. If you are ready, let's go together to the web to discover this new article about some UFOs in New Jersey right now. Okay, so now we are on the website ufoalienreality.com, and this is an article published on June the 7th of 2020. As you can see, the title is UFOs filmed in New Jersey. From coast to coast, AM, a curious piece of footage out of New Jersey, shows a puzzling trio of mysterious lights hovering in the night sky, and some observers suspect that they belonged to a triangular UFO. Maybe that could be. I can't wait to see that video. The intriguing scene was reportedly filmed by a sky gazer near the community of Sicklerville on May the 31st, and was subsequently posted online to Reddit a few days later. The bewildered witness later explained that he and his girlfriend had been looking at stars when they noticed that 3 strange red orbs had floated into their field of view. So in the video, the lights can be seen hovering in the night sky for approximately 2 minutes before eventually disappearing behind some trees. It seemed to just be gliding effortlessly through the sky, recalled the witness, observing that it didn't break a perfect triangle, so it's hard to believe it was lanterns. The case is remarkably similar to a number of UFO sightings that have made news throughout the year, wherein a trio or cluster of orbs appears in the sky to the astonishment of onlookers. While the witness expressed confidence that the lights were not lanterns, skeptical viewers will undoubtedly suggest that his interpretation is incorrect or failing, that argue that the UFOs were drones or perhaps an airliner appeared anomalous due to the angle from which the man and his girlfriend were watching the objects. With that in mind, what's your take on the weird video? And the credit is to Team Binaural, Coast to Coast AM. So this is not this photo, but the video that we have here just below the text. So let's just watch some sample of this video. The title of the video is UFO sighting Triangle OVNI New Jersey, 31st of May 2020. So you can see the three lights in the sky. They are stationary, and of course, as we said, it seems that they belong to some triangular shape object in the sky. And we don't have only one witness. We have another witness you can see here just at the bottom of the video. Where is it? Not here, not here. Where was he, the guy? Maybe an old man? Here, with his dog. He was looking at the sky too, and of course he must have seen the three lights in the sky, and they are moving slowly away, disappearing in the night, in the dark, until we don't see any lights anymore. Just one light more, and we have sound? No, we don't have sound. And now this is the end. Disappearing. So here, the start of the video. I don't think that it could be CGI. It seems authentic. Let's check on YouTube. What is the channel? Maybe it's a random channel which received the video from someone. Winslow Township, New Jersey. We have someone who's saying, looks like a triangular craft, not three separate lights. I agree with that. And somebody else saying, wrong, the distance between the lights changes. They move position as they move. One triangular shape at the beginning of the video and one different triangular shape in the end. It's not one, but three separate lights moving on formation. I don't really know. My personal point of view would be that belongs to a triangular shape object, and the channel is called OVNI Vids, with not so many views. and a channel dedicated to UFOs. Yeah, we ever talked about this one. Okay. But this is not the end. Of course, we have another article talking about the subject, about the UFO sightings in New Jersey. And this is, of course, the website dailystar.co.uk. Published in June the 8th of 2020 by Tiffany Lowe. Strange red lights filmed hovering over New Jersey in triangular formation. UFOs fly across sky in triangular formation. But wait, could it be the video that we just watched before? Yes, that seems to be the same video. This is the same triangle. An amateur stargazer has captured 3 mysterious red lights hovering over the night sky in New Jersey, the US. Video shared by Reddit user Nohawk1020 captures the unidentified flying objects floating above a car park behind the tree line. One red light appears to be leading 2 others towards the right before they slowly move in a triangular formation. They then disappear behind the tree foliage in dark. Nohawk1020 and his girlfriend Brianna, she has no avatar, no name. She is Brianna. The Sheila is named Brianna. She encountered a strange phenomenon outside their home in Winslow Township, South New Jersey, on May the 31st. Speaking exclusively to Daily Star Online, he explained that Brianna is obsessed with looking at the stars and picking out which stars are planets and which ones are actual planets. The uploader said the latest sighting lasted about 2 minutes before it disappeared in the night sky. Brianna, the poor Brianna, also replied to one comment and described the lights as amber-colored. Oh, what a lovely comment! What a lovely color! Amber-colored UFO. They appeared to be much larger than the camera is picking up, she added. It looked to me like a triangle. But Brianna, are you sure it was a triangle and not a square or a rectangular shaped? The video has been upvoted hundreds of times on Reddit since being posted earlier this week. One viewer said he had witnessed similar sighting at the same location, saying it was pretty much directly over the road moving west toward Philly. Okay, so we have the confirmation that there were other witnesses to this phenomenon. This point is interesting because when it can be confirmed by many witnesses, that becomes really serious. It moved directly over me, going to the exact opposite direction as me. A second viewer claimed he had seen the craft with his dad in the neighboring town of Haddon. Okay. Triangles are just stealth military aircraft to me, one suggested. Another wrote, Chinese lanterns tied by string in a V formation. My friends and I tried this in the past and the results looked very similar, especially on a clear summer night with little wind breeze. Okay. Interesting. As well as Chinese lanterns being a possible explanation, drones have also been used to explain sightings of similar red lights in the past. Conspiracy theorists have previously speculated the triangle objects could be a TR-3B spy plane. The TR-3 Black Manta is the name of a surveillance plane of the United States Air Force, speculated to have been developed under a Black project. It is said to be a supersonic stealth spy plane with a triangular design. So guys, what do you think of this? Was it some military exercise? Could it be a stealth spy plane, a TR-3B, or other secret aircraft developed by the military forces? Or could it be just simply some Chinese lanterns sent in the sky by some kids? Or the third option, could it be some UFO, just a UFO, just an alien spaceship hovering over the area and observing us, observing people while they are eating in the restaurant, while their cars are parked on the car park just below the lights. In that case, what is very interesting is that we have a lot of witnesses. So this is not a manipulated video, but the fact that we have many witnesses, many people who watched, who saw these lights in the sky, doesn't mean that it was a real alien spaceship or a UFO. As we said just before, we have three options. May I recall you that you can, at any moment, you can join us, you can join the private space, the members space that we created here on Section 51 on YouTube. This is a space with subscription, of course, but that will allow you to that will give you access to special videos, special photos and other stuff linked to Section 51 here on YouTube. Okay guys? So, thank you for watching this new video about UFOs. Thank you. That was a very nice moment with you. As always, you can like, you can share, you can subscribe to Section 51. And before the next video, even until the next video, live long and prosper. Don't forget to keep watching at the sky, keep your eyes open, keep your mind open, and of course, see you next time in a new video on Section 51. This was DozGeek. Bye!